Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also love unboxings, and I toss in some plus size fashion content. Today's video is my Allure beauty box for the month of September. And if you're unfamiliar with the Allure beauty box, this is a monthly subscription for $25. You'll get 6 plus items, and 3 of those items are going to be full size. The rest are like more sampler, travel, try me size items. And right on top we have our little informational pamphlet. We have a little coupon code, and then we are going to dive in. First thing right on top, I see the Mud Masky Serum Infused Moisturizer. Oh, anti-aging, hydrating, soothing, nourishing, and purifying, and fragrance-free, and made in France. I think that sounds absolutely fantastic, especially kind of heading into the cooler months. I love that. I'm excited about that. Next up is the Eve L'Homme Rescue Mask. After cleansing, apply over the entire face, avoiding your eyes. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove gently. I don't like masks like this. Why? Because I'm a lazy ass. So this is super nice. I'm pretty sure Eve L'Homme is also a very kind of bougie brand, but not something I'm going to personally use. I will also note that I have found with my experiences with Allure Beauty Box throughout the years that they are typically more skincare heavy. Next up is the Kristen S, another more expensive brand, I think. The Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask for all hair types. That sounds nice, especially now that I'm coloring my hair again. Also, if you missed my hair color video, I will pop it right here for you guys. So here is that product. Next up is the Riel Beauty Collagen Mask Plump and Smooth Facial Sheet Mask. These are my type of facial masks, not this. But if you've tried this and you feel like I should keep it and try it, definitely let me know. So I'm excited about this as well. Next up is the Kulfi. I've been hearing a lot of stuff about them. This is their Kajal Eyeliner Crayon in Cheeky. Ooh, okay, I might actually keep this. I don't do a whole lot of liners because I have very sensitive eyes and I have a lot of allergies. I do like the packaging. I just want to do a swatch of this and just see if it's nice and creamy. Then I may hold on to this. I don't have a whole lot of brown liners. It is a retractable liner, and I will do a swatch. Oh yeah, whoa, that is very creamy and very intense, and I like that it doesn't pull too warm. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep this. I will definitely update you guys on this. And then last up, I have a little Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It is like a little mini, like a little sampler vial. And then I will go into our little pamphlet here. We'll see if we can get some information. All right, the Kulfi Kajal Eyeliner in Cheeky Chiku. Why you'll love it. A flick of this rich chocolate brown liner is much more forgiving than the typical black. I agree. And if you are somebody that you're a less is more beauty, then I think brown is the way to go. Then the typical inky black while still making an impact. Kulfi's Best of Beauty award-winning long-wearing gel glides on with ease, 100%, and then stays put all day, even on your lower lash line. I will update you guys on that. And then this is a retail price of $20. Next up, we have our Eve L'Homme Rescue Mask. This face mask is a brilliant solution for stressed out skin. It uses kaolin clay to help reduce oiliness in your T-zone that can lead to breakouts without leaving your face feeling totally parched in the process. And its herbal scent makes the experience feel as spa-like as it gets within the confines of your own bathroom. This is a retail price of $58 for 50 mils. So this is $58. I'm definitely not going to use this. I do not like more herbally earthy scents, and I don't like clay on my skin. So somebody's going to love getting this. All right, next up is our little Kiehl's. This was our little sampler. This is the 1851 Midnight Recovery Concentrate. While you catch some Z's, Kiehl's Face Oil, a blend of lavender, evening primrose, and rosemary. Ooh, makes sure your skin gets a good night's sleep. And the quick to absorb formula sinks right into your skin, not into your pillow. Retail price is $88 for 1.7 ounces, and there are four mils in here. Next up, we had the Kristen S product. This is the Strand Strengthening Reconstructive Moisture Mask. Hair damage may be inevitable from heat styling, coloring your hair, and everyday habits such as brushing your hair. But with Kristen S's nourishing in-shower treatment infused with hydrating coconut oil and shea butter, you can extend the time until your next trim. And it just says use once a week. This is $15 for 6 ounces, and this is 27 mils or 0.9 ounces. So way less expensive than I thought. I need to look that up, because if it is cheaper and it works, I'm testing it in a full size. Alright, next up we had our Mud Masky. This sounds fabulous! This is the Serum Infused Moisturizer. This lightweight moisturizer does more than just hydrate with sweet almond and sunflower seed oils. Fruit extracts gently exfoliate, and aloe soothes signs of irritation. And this is a retail price of $55 for 40 mils. This is a full size, $55. Look, honey, this thing better scratch my back, massage my back, paint my nails and everything for $55 for this little thing. If it works, of course, I'll get back to you guys, or you'll see it in an upcoming empties. Last but not least, we had our Rael, I hope I'm saying that right, the Collagen Sheet Mask. The radiant results you'll get from this easy-to-use mask rival a luxurious facial. Licorice root extract smooths the skin, while amino acids plump the skins. I'm sorry, y'all. The skin. Retail price is $15.99 for 5. So, okay. I feel like, honestly, just with this or this product right here, you're definitely getting your bang for your buck. I will be keeping this liner. I'm excited about that, especially as smooth as this was. This sounds incredible. I'm sticking this in my shower tonight. I am using the non-gender specific concentrate oil right now. When I'm done with that, I will test this out. And then I love collagen mask or sheet mask. The only thing that I'm not like thrilled about, which I'm sure a lot of people would be, is this right here. But I'm excited, y'all. This is a pretty damn good box for $25. Let me know what you guys think. Do you have experiences with Allure Beauty Box? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.